How to add Wrapped Kaspa on Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Kaspa on a Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon over here. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Wrapped Kaspa. To add Wrapped Kaspa on your Trust Wallet app, toggle this option over here. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and again click on Wrapped Kaspa. Now tap on Receive. With the help of this QR code and wallet address, you'll be able to receive Wrapped Kaspa from different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Wrapped Kaspa onto your Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.